something that should be 30 seconds, you know, switch out your damn light, you know, your parking lights, and you should be done and over with. But no, Mr. Bash 041 has to screw it up. All right, so main fuse, I already know. I just had a feeling. I felt a little shock in my hands. Shorts out my fuse. So what you got to do is take your seat off, you know, pop these off to get a little more room, pull your battery out, and where your main fuse is for the 2012 ZX6R, you're gonna follow this red this cable here, and inside there's a red box. It's the main fuse. So you see that red box? I have to get to that damn thing to switch out the 30 amp fuse. So it's been challenging to say the least. So what you have to do is make sure you have a security bit for your Allen wrench. I don't know what they're called. Fucking security bit set, impact drill. So I already unscrewed that. You got to pop that off. I've already loosened these two Allen wrench thing bolts. I don't know what you guys call them. Whatever. And I'm gonna have to lift my tank up. I pulled the battery out because there's a little bit more room here. Why wouldn't they just put the fuses here with the rest of them? Why they got to make the main fuse all deep up in a 5-star hooker's coochie right there? Like, I need Dirt Diggler's dick to get in that thing right there. So, all right, I'll be right back. Got these two off right here. Put a Nike high school certified football right here. And here it is. Here is your starter relay switch. Relay switch? Delay switch. I don't know. I'm sure you guys will correct me. Alright, so this was on here. This was tucked in there really well. The red piece. Pulled these off. It took me, you know, a minute to get it off. And there it is. So that's the 30 amp. And hopefully this is the problem, because if not, looks like I'll be sending my bike to the shop. Let's see, let's try to pull it out. Let's see. Alright, so is it cracked? Is it even? Ah, there it is. See, I don't know if you guys can. Let me hold it to there. Alright, so there it is. So there is a crack. It did blow. So far, we're on the right track here. So that's what it looks like when, I hope you guys can see, when a fuse is blown. And let me show you what one that doesn't look blown. Hold on. Alright, there's the difference. So the one on the right's new, there's no crack in it. The one on the left, it's blown. So I'll put it back in there, put the battery back in.
Most holiest day of my life. And if you go, I wanna go with you. And if you die, I wanna die with you. Take your hand and walk away.
Alright guys, so there's a reason why I'm not a mechanic and we have one here. And I didn't put the rubber seal over, what is this called, Gary?
Starter relay.
The starter relay. So this rubber piece I didn't put on over. It was hitting my tank and it was making this all barbecue and smoke, and see all that? You can see it started smoking and I got all freaked out because I'm slow. And I didn't even think to cover the rubber seal so it wasn't hitting my tank. And it started right up. So this is, and there you go. I'm an idiot. Import motor specialist. That's why they do this, and I don't.